Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the language settings in Dragon Ball Legends. So, I made this video is for new player, for beginner that's still confused how this game is works, and especially if you want to keep the original sound like Japanese dub, or even you can change to the English dub. You can setting in this game. So let's get started by tapping the menu and tap the other and tap the options and tap the go to the others and this one, language settings. A new download will start if changes are made, so make sure you have to restart. You have to there are some new download if you are change the display language or the audio language. For example, let's tap change. So there are 6 total languages in here, like English, French, Deutsch, Korea, Mandarin, and Espanol, and the voice only to English or Japanese dub. So please choose your own preference. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. Enjoy the game.